Long time no see. Hi. It's been a week and it's been a very nice week for me. I can't wait to tell you all the things I've done this week. And the most interesting part of it, attending a ceramic workshop where I made this ceramic cup from clay. And here are my friends. My very talented friend organized this workshop. She's filming here, and I will tag her under this video. She is actually a very great artist, and she has a worldwide shipping for her arts. So check it out. And this is my cup. I decided to paint a red poppy flower, but turned out just a regular poppy to me. This is the cups that other girls made, and this was so calming and relaxing. I loved it, this workshop so much. After that, we had a very nice walk at a park with my son, as usual. He's very active boy, so I have to go for a walk every day, and actually these daily walks improved my mental health so much. I'm a very anxious person, and this helps wind up my brain very good. And actually I wanted to also tell you about a book I read. It's written by Robert Lihi about anxiety. The most helpful from this book for me was the fact that if you feel anxiety, this is like an anesthesia for your other feelings that you're avoiding feeling bad, like maybe envy or guilt or other bad feelings you're supposed not to feel. And this turned out to be so true for me. I realized that I don't let myself to feel these bad feelings, because sometimes I feel good, I feel love, I feel respect, warmth, kindness, but bad feelings, I just skip them. And that's why I have anxiety. I realized that, and from now on I'm gonna make a habit of having this feelings diary. And this day, you see, was really great. We had a falafel and a really nice walk again at our local park. The weather was so good. It's November, but it's so sunny and warm. I love Tbilisi, especially for its views. You can see mountains again from almost every point of the city. And another book I really liked is a Colin Tipping book about forgiveness. The main part of it for me was the fact that there are no bad things in your life, bad people in your life. All people come to your life with a lesson, and your goal to learn from these lessons, to figure out why did you bring this happen to your life. This is about taking your own responsibility for all your life. Here you can see a vent my husband installed in this new space we have for our restaurant. We have a renovation here, and there were so many hard things in this renovation and this whole small business thing, but now I look at this from a different perspective. Like, I can do anything if I accept that I am responsible for all things that I have in my life. And here's my fried rice. It turned out so good, I decided to bring it to my husband while he was renovating. So this small place called Conchita, you could see, we're moving from here because there is no heating, and we're moving to a warm space. On my way home, I decided to go to a shop. And here you can see what is fall season in Georgia. Lots of persimmon, lots of fresh mandarin oranges. This is churchella, you can see it everywhere. And of course, pomegranates. Here you can see also local cheeses. And this is very special. This is a drink made of boiled feijoa fruits. Very, very tasty. Here you can see them fresh along with the fresh apples. I love, love, love Georgia. And I forgot to show you a table my husband welded for the restaurant. And of course, lots of dishes. If it's very greasy, I use baking soda along with dish soap, and all the grease come out really, really good. So my main of a week is just to relax, manifest, and enjoy my life. For example, these massive pancakes was just $6. So why not enjoy life and make it simple? Even when my son makes a mess like this, I'm just trying to have fun too. And a quick recommendation at the end, if you'll ever come to Tbilisi, this is a very, very beautiful spot. It's called Dry Bridge. It has even a flea market, so come and check it out. See you next week.